I'm going to introduce a very useful interactive tool to you, that is ChatGPT, which is useful to create a content for your queries, programs, subject related material, speech related material. So in Google we search ChatGPT. Here the URL of the ChatGPT. So select this URL. OpenAI is the company which generated the ChatGPT. A description is given here. It is a trained model which interacts in a conversational way. The dialogue format makes it possible for ChatGPT to answer the follow-up questions, any kind of questions. It will admit its mistakes, challenge the incorrect premises, and reject the inappropriate request. It is a successor of another tool, InstructGPT. It also provides the detailed response. Now we will see how to use this tool. So here you are having an option, try ChatGPT. So here you have to type your query. The text box you have to type your query and press this button. So here I am giving a query. Write a Python program for sum of the digits of a given number. It will take few seconds. Now it start typing the program. Okay, program got completed. Now there's an option copy code. I'm copying the code and pasting it in the environment. Spider. So after saving the code, I'm going to run the code. It will ask me to enter a number. I'm giving 153. So the answer is sum of the digits of the given number is 9. So we are able to generate more queries. For example, I'm typing C program for factorial of a given number. Yes, it start typing the program factorial for the given number. That's it. Now you can copy the code and you can use any IDE to execute the code. It also gives some a general queries, for example, subject or non-subject. For a subject wise, I'm asking what is an algorithm. So within a few seconds, you will get a very detailed answer. Not a simple answer, it is a detailed answer. With the properties. Yeah, this is the beauty of this tool. You can use it for anything. You want to prepare a speech or you want to prepare a points for a presentation, you can use this tool. So some other option I'm telling. So this is the light mode. You want to change it to the dark mode. You will choose this dark mode, and again you can change it. Now it is okay. You want to make it as light mode. You will select the light mode now. OpenAI Discord is a community. When you choose this, you can join a community. You can do the chats and updates and frequently asked questions are given here. If you go there, you will get the update and frequently asked questions are given here. Go through it. Then you want to log out, can you choose this option. So that's it. So we have discussed the ChatGPT and demonstrate the usefulness. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.